Hamar basdang ka jing penyakhalai no sip ya ki number dukan da ka Shillong Municipal Board na ka benta ki basyong de jing de harut surok bat linti ya ki jat lani ki hawkers na kindai lat syaka jaka balapan kre da ka sarkar ha parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority lani muda ki hawkers na ka Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association ki lawan kroi ban persya. Ya kani ka association lalam khamat da ka kong Biolin Perto president har ringkat ka jingedon lang ka kong Angela Rengat ka nong ai buit bat nong kersyan ha ka bakile penpau bakim pediang setia ya ka rukom ai dukan kat ba na ka liang ka roadside hawkers association pan kila long ki bakloi ban yat kat kum ka jing penyat kan Shillong Municipal Board.
The system, you give it in writing. Give it to me in writing. We are PTVC members. Maka you have sakti only again. Kalau ada PTVC meeting after the 23rd, kapan done? There has not been a PTVC meeting after the 23rd. So who made this decision?
It is the decision of the Honorable High Court.
The High Court did not. The High Court decided to have a lottery system.
Lottery system is
The High Court said no. The High Court has said, you please finalize the list. Has the list been finalized?
Yes, we have given circle.
The list has not been finalized.
Only done.
You are in contravention of the High Court order. You are contravening the High Court order, and that is a fact.
Carry on.
Nanti pa berkabar kisah kelam.
Jadi kinong dia madam kiba wan lam yang kaan ka jala. Wat nom ya klet ya kata. Jadi kinong dia madam kiba ya thik pa thik ka kung kaan. Maka don kata ka TVC ro kadai na ka jing mencur jang kinong dia madam. No, you listen first. Till now, there is a PTVC as per the law because the hawkers have cooperated. It is because of us that a survey could happen on the ground. If it is left to you, similar incompetency and similar way of functioning, non-transparent, autocratic would have happened.
We want to make it transparent.
You are
by
not.
doing law.
You're not.
No, you may say so.
You're not.
No.
You make it transparent
No,
by
please listen to me
ensuring that
also.
every decision
Please.
as per the
No,
2014
please.
law has to come out of a
Don't
PTVC.
shout.
We have to shout when you don't listen to us in a meeting.
It's okay, carry on. Carry on. Allow us to
We are only
speak.
left to shouting because all the democratic processes, you have stampeded them.
I'm very serious. No.
You are going outside of the law. You are going outside of the law. There is no such thing. We have not had a PTVC meeting. We are all PTVC members. We have not agreed on such a move. Really
No, I
perpetuating.
really take it.
You have to take the responsibility of any law and order issue because this is not how a government office should function. They would be better off organizing themselves. This is just not the way. As PTVC member, I want to check the numbers here. No. As PTVC member, we have every authority. We have every authority to check randomly the numbers. क्योंकि PTVC member we PTVC member in fairness, we are PTVC members here. We are official PTVC members. We are official PTVC members. We need to check what numbers are there. Randomly we need to check what numbers are there. Manini one naka PTVC ko. We are official members. We need to check the numbers, what numbers are here. We need to check. We don't trust this process at all. In check, Nimsha. And we are here as PTVC members. Official PTVC members are here, 4 of us.
I License đây. Đây gì cô này.
Keduk. Pelit penaik naik. Nena, buat. Rajab neng buat.
Cepat kembali.
Sudah sini. Này bạn dài.
Ya nanti
Ya, ini di sini. Bat di. Kena sai. Biar sarut saya baru kau kini kita kena biar sarut.
Kau bisa piahun kau kena kat you.
Ini laut.
Kita jangan hindi you bisa.
Hah?
Jangan asosian you bisa.
Harus saja hafal.
Kamu piahun kan banyak. Jadi kamu tu bising apa dah hati saya you akan ikut kan. Dan itu lalu pensang pensong no. Tidak bakal asosian jangan kau. Tapi i bakal ni ketukan mentah kalau khampa banyak kabarem ni kamu.
Kalau khampa mentah banyak kabar ai mencuat kia ai ti siapa. Tang bahasa ti siapa pani tre. Namar kalau baki long dia tahu ben moyang ini siapa te. Dalam mentah pat ni pan sejerong tekila ai yang sejerong. Dan mentah ni yo ang ni tekila tahu hakat ni yang ni. Isap bet ini.
The confident number. Penis number jangan. Ini apa?
Kecil jangan kecil lagi balapnya ni. Kata teh, makin penting dia katakan dek pasal penuh ini.
Jadi kita ketiar ke bawah PPP apa?
Nang ada jan.
Lagi jan.
Ada nak keseng ka resal association.
Kong telmi.
Oh, tu.
Bisa sini bagi nomor ni benar tak?
Hah?
Macam ni belayu nomor ni benar?
Nomor kan?
Macam apa nomor? Berpisah apa yang bet?
Ayo. Ini apa kenal dia Pak?
Ini kau nunjuk bisa? Kau nunjuk ke?
Kenal dia tidak.
Yang ni.
Asosian ni bisa.
Sudah lang berdoa jelas.
Baca kong Angela ni apa benar?
Kau telmi. Telmi.
Berpisah apa yang kan?
Bak nang ada ibu bahasa nukan badan ini mishkur. Ha? Rasa
Tiga number kan tu kang.
Pak Rwe.
Atu pihun na mi kani ka cakap ka pisang mentah.
Ada kecil men suka sama era susu ini. Aku lagi yang suka. Mulai bantai pada sini. Amat dah.
Nadu mana pihak selama syom tadi.
Wah, ini makan nung permanen pateng ini pun bagi ni pateng.
Jadi tu lalu pada penstang mansong kan.
Katangin saya pengen dalaya wanang barok pe. Tong kata. Nah, sesiam jong manjena.
Ya session jong kang Angela pi. Pidan lang balik kang Angela.
Oh, ini dalam.
Buat dia sumber dalang dengan pengajaran margi pengajaran percaya kadang-kadang.
Oh, ini ngati ngakwa, ini ngakwa deh.
Tapi buat bila dia
Ngati ngakwa. Kita ada apa?
sesuatu Pak Rwe dah.
Oh,
Jong Kong Telmi. Jong Kong Telmi.
Pidan ka session jong lo, jong kang Telmi na jong kang Angela. Yang balik kang Angela. Dekai pun lang pi pada ban sim pada ka tiket kat ba na kalian jong kang Angela pun ba jong persya.
Empat sekretariat seumwan yang dia bagi sebenarnya rumah terluas.
Buat pi yang lain kan bantu kan.
Kana be ka.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.